there, YouTube land. This is my good friend Sin, and we're going to do a little color shifting today, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to Hair Tunes, raw, real, and diverse hair education, tips, and tricks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So Sin has this condition. Well, it's not a condition, just some people's hair does this, where like a lot of her hair doesn't grow. So I can go and I can look and see that her purple was still right up at the root. And we used to bleach her out, and we always wondered why she had so much breakage. And it was because of this, because only some of her hair grows. It's really the oddest thing. So I'm going to go through and I am going to just do some really huge slices because she still wants fun hair. And so I want to make as much coverage as I can, but still only doing a heavy highlight. So I'm going to do slices. I'm going to do some thick weaves. I just want massive coverage. I want as much hair to lighten. Now, her hair's purple and blue. Now, she wants to go pink. It doesn't really work like that. You can't walk all over the color wheel. So which means I have to remove the color, which means it can cause extra damage to her hair. Now here I am using Megix 10 Lift 9 with Olaplex, but we are still lightening her hair. So we just want to be careful about those kind of things. So I'm just going in and doing those weaves and slices. And some people might be like, oh, it's kind of chunky or it looks bleedy. It's not. And on top of it, I'm going to root it. So we're going to root out all the lines that are coming on her head, kind of like a smudging technique with a direct dye. So just going ahead and creating lots of blonde around the top of her head. She really loves fun hair. Now what's going to happen is her hair is probably going to turn green. And that is the exact opposite of pink. So what are we going to do about that? Well, I'm going to have to tone it. So just stay tuned. That's coming soon here, guys. So here she's processing, and I am using a 000 highly ammoniated color with 20 volume, and I'm applying it to those ends of her hair where the purple color is. And purple always goes green. It's just the base of the color, and it is what it is. So I decided that I really need to shift this. So I went in with Oligo Colora Gloss, and I used 7R to just really kick that green out of her hair. So here it is at the shampoo bowl. We applied 7R, and I say, maybe it took a little too dark, but that's okay. We're shifting on our way to the warmer side. What am I talking about? Warmer side of the color wheel. You can't go warm, cool, warm, cool. So right now we've got her closer to the warm side, and we're going to leave her there. So I am using obsidian at the base and fuchsia on the ends of Megix 10 Pure Shades. This is a new direct dye line that I'm really starting to work with, and it works really great, and it stays so amazing in my fine haired clients. It's like, wow. I just usually, Sin's hair fades like after like 2 weeks. She comes in and her hair still looks like I just did it. It's insane. So just going ahead and applying the obsidian and putting the fuchsia color and just melting those two together. I will grab a comb and I will bring the two and marry the colors together. It's going to just smudge out all the highlighting I did at the roots, and it's going to blend up. It's going to fade off by the time she comes in next time, so we can then switch her to like maybe orange or yellow or just even a brighter pink. But I just really wanted to shift her over to the warm side of the color wheel. She likes to flip back and forth, but she knows we got to keep the integrity of her hair, and that's so important. So we did give her Olaplex treatment before we applied the colors to her hair. And I dried it, and she wants to grow her hair back out again, so we're going to let her do that as long as she doesn't make me bleach out her whole head, because I feel like it's just going to break because of that problem she has where some of her hair doesn't grow. So, guys, it's coming up the end here. So there's the beginning and here's the end. And she just was so happy to be back on the warmer side of things. Thanks, guys.